All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi, and this week's Parshas Vaeschanan, and so we have the repetition of the Ten Commandments, and it says, "Kavod avich v'simecha kasher tzivcha Hashem Elokecha." In Deuteronomy it says, "Thou shalt honor thy mother and thy father as the Lord thy God commanded you." The Kedushas Levi asks, "Lahavin ne'ma b'divros rishonos lo ne'mar kasher tzivcha." So how come in Exodus 20 it doesn't mention as the Lord commanded you? Only here in Deuteronomy 4. Veneer, and it appears that that the truth is we are obligated to honor our mother and our father. But if your father tells you to violate the Sabbath, you don't listen to him. Because your mother and your father are obligated in God's honor. So that's what it means, honor thy father, but only in the way as the Lord thy God commanded you, that it shouldn't violate the words of the Torah. And that's why it's only in Deuteronomy, and the second time when the Ten Commandments are mentioned, because the Torah was already given. Hashem, that's why it says, as the Lord commanded, Masha Enkin B'Divros Rishonim. But by the first set of the Ten Commandments, those commandments were not given yet. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.